So here we have seen that boot menu, right? So F11 is a boot menu. So I'll tell what is boot menu. Okay. When I reboot the system, for example, if you reboot the laptop, laptop will boot to the couple of hardwares. I can say couple of things. Boot means here when I say boot, laptop can load that. Laptop can enter into that. So okay, that server can enter into that. So when I say server can boot to the operating system, which is there in the hard disk. So hard disk is the boot device. Server can load the operating system, which is there in the CD DVD. So here CD DVD is the boot device. So server can load the OS image, which is there in the pen drive. So laptop can boot to the pen drive. So like this, from wherever the server is able to read the information, right? From wherever the server is able to read the information, that information, okay, that we call it as a boot menu. Okay. Now, what I did, I pressed on F11 for boot menu, right? So when it comes here, you will see the NIC ports are bootable and the a RAID controller card. This RAID is bootable and the CD DVD which we attached is bootable. So it is listing only this, and these are actually stale entries where like we have to clear it off. But so overall, the either you can install the OS or you can load the OS. If already installed, it will be there in hard disk. The server will boot to the hard disk and it will load the operating system. Second case, if you don't have an operating system in the server look for the OS image. The server look for OS image, which is available either in the form of CD or in the USB or in the network location or in the ILO CD. So we can give it in a different forms. So these all are, we call it as boot menu. Okay. So I press the F11. So it lists all the possible bootable menu for this server. Okay. So in this, this one is, this is the one, right? CD-ROM, ILO virtual CD. This is the bootable. So just we will enter to this. Okay. Now it will load. We will go to this. Here also I'm pressing F11. See this boot menu. Right? This is a boot menu, F11. So now it will list all the possible bootable devices for this system. Okay, simple, right? So that is the F11 option, boot menu option. So it is loading. Hey, come on, man. It is loading ESXi 8.0. We think we have to clear it off. It is entered to the OS. It is not installing the new OS. Okay. So here, let's see. It is loading to the existing OS. So attach the image again. I want 703. Go to power. Cold. So in this case, we will do RAID clear and we will do RAID creation and we will do factory reset. Okay. So here F11 is there. Better I'll go to F9. overall, I'll make all 4 servers with ESXi 7.0. Then let's see what to do. Okay, I need that proper build. If I don't have that build right, this is kind of blocked. Okay, I have previous. Okay, we did it. We did this class previously with the 6.7, which is a little old. But I want to show you with at least 7.0, if possible 8.0. Okay, so that's where I'm kind of interested. Okay, I'm kind of interested. For this 7.0 and 8.0. Okay. Sorry, I'm pressing F9 even here too. So this one, let's see what's happening. Okay, go to system configuration. This is second server. I don't think there is no RAID. Array configuration. I don't think there are no arrays, but this time we will create everything in the RAID. Okay. Array configuration. Create array. There are 4 drives, 146 GB. So I'll do one thing. I'll create RAID 5 with this. So we need a lot of space to create multiple VMs. RAID 5. Create next. Back to main menu. Go to system configuration, BIOS configuration, PCI, system default option. Just we will make it a proper okay, OS installation this time. Okay, in both the machines. It will go for reboot. We will do it second one again. And we will install 7.0, update 3 everywhere. Okay, see, this is still going on. Let's see. Okay. To simply say, cloning is creating similar VM, creating multiple similar VMs. Suppose if you create one VM with a simple cloning option, you can deploy same virtual machines without installing OS every time. Okay, you can deploy multiple machines. Migration means moving virtual machine from one ESXi server to other ESXi server. So that is the migration. HA DRS means suppose if any ESXi failed for a reason, the VMs on the ESXi will migrate from the failed one to the available. So now we have 4 missions, right? If one server failed, everything will move to other server. Okay, like this, the features works. Okay, so we will work on, like, we will configure everything and we will do everything in practical. Okay, so now I have 4 missions ready. So let's wait till tomorrow. So I'll make the vCenter ready. So once the vCenter is ready, we can do all these features very simple, very simple. Okay, I'll show you everything step by step. So you have to understand what is the feature and how to configure and how it is working. So all 3 things you have to understand. Okay, so vCenter features we will work tomorrow. So just I made all 4 servers ready. So all 4 servers has ESXi. I'm going to run all the vCenter features between these 4 servers. Okay, so guys, you have any questions, like whoever is there today, Vijit, Anjana, Vinay? So you are able to understand, you are able to go through videos and making some notes, everything you are able to do?
Yes, sir. I'm preparing notes, sir.
Good, very good. So yes, just make a notes as a procedures. Okay, so always our questions on procedures. So you have to tell them like you have a experience. So whatever you are learning here, you are going to do a practical. So when you did the practical, you are going to tell that in the interview as your work experience. That's why I'm asking you people, I'm requesting you people make a notes as a procedure. Like if I ask you how to create a VM, you have to tell step by step. How to create a how to install the ESXi, we have to tell step by step. So learn in that way. Okay, if you learn in that way, so you can crack job very easy. Okay, so let me launch this. If it works, we are fine. All servers are working. https://172.17.100.8. Okay, yes, it is working. Okay, so all good. This mission also ready to me. Okay, I'm closing. So I'll stop here today. Okay, just as I don't have vCenter, right? I'll make the vCenter ready tomorrow. And tomorrow evening, we will discuss more about the vCenter and the features. Okay, any questions? Anyone?
Troubleshooting means?
The troubleshooting options. You're asking about troubleshooting option, Vinay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is ESXi shell. Like you can run, you can open ESXi in the putty. Like see, here I can open putty and I can enter my IP. So you see this 172.17.100.8. Okay, this is our this one, right? New ESXi, accept, root, admin@123. So now I'm able to access this because of ESXi shell. Okay. So when the ESXi shell is enabled, then only I can open putty and I can execute the commands. This is one thing. And here we are running, right? HTTPS. Okay. So this is working just because of, okay, that secure shell. So if you enable there, it will work here. If you don't enable there, you cannot open the vSphere web client. Okay, that you have to try. This is one more thing. And some more features. Tomorrow we are going to do some vCenter features, right? Even for that features, this both the options, the troubleshooting options, ESXi shell and secure shell, that is SSH. Both options helpful for many features what we are going to work tomorrow. Okay, so we have to enable the 2 options right after the OS installation is done. Okay, it's a blind this one for you. Understand? So to access the mission properly, to access mission in the vSphere web client, to access mission in the PuTTY, to run features like vMotion and migration and HEA DRS, we need this ESXi shell should be enabled. Otherwise, the features will fail. So for that, we have to enable that. Proper? So any more question? Okay, then we'll see tomorrow. Okay. We'll continue this tomorrow with all this. Okay. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Good night. Bye.